Hello, good afternoon. Myself Dr. Saagar Akbari from Narayana Hospital, Jaipur, and I'm working as a cardiac anesthesia student. And I am a new beginner in the pain fellowship in the Aadhya Pain Clinic. And I very well remember these classes on the YouTube, and I passionate for the USG scanning for the various musculoskeletal joints and the various muscles. And I heard on the Aadhya Pain Clinic review on the Facebook and the YouTube channel and the various internet articles. So I joined this program, and I very well. Dr. Kanchan Sharma is a very well professional and very well trained for the any pathology, any muscles, any tendon, any bones. Very well identification and very well explained. And I have the review the 4.5 out of 5 review marks, and it is a amazing experience.